I've been making shorts for a while, and this is our first video. Please give me some views and likes also.
500.
1 minute.
400.
Focus camera. Okay.
200.
Wait. Is wrong with this? Here. Land up. Let's land.
100.
50.
40.
30. Wait, what's wrong? Slow down. Slow down, man.
50.
Slow down, bro. Come on.
30. 20.
About to land.
10.
Butter. First rest. Wait a sec. Oh no. What is wrong with this airplane? Bro, move. Please move. Move. I want to let this plane. Stop. Move. Gosh, come on. Leave. I don't care. This plane is not letting me go. Something is wrong. This is airplane? Nah, this is not AI. This is a real plane. Don't crash, please.
Systems.
Never mind. Anyways, listen. Why is that RR42 there?
400. 300.
Had to take a go around because we should let planes, because I want peace, not crashes. Wait, is bro regretting something? No.
Systems.
Oh my god. No. Emergency land. Emergency guys. Wait, you see this is MC400 requesting. Emergency.
100.
Oh, zoom in. Oh my god. The winglet is gone. Bye winglet. Still I managed to fly, and let's do a butter landing. Please don't fall.
40.
And slow down and slap, bro.
30.
Okay. Landed, and let's stop. Let's go. Dude, what is wrong with this airplane right now? What is wrong with this airplane? Airplane, please move out of the way, because I'm coming here. Oh, bro is going there. I think it's going there. Yes, it's going there, thankfully. I'm gonna turn from here. Oh, the plane is... We managed to make an emergency landing. Wait, no. Wow, the plane is drifting. I can't believe I just made it. I just made a best emergency. Maybe. I'll end up here. Where should I go? Turn, man. I'll just go. Hi BB40, hi XC40. I'm out of the way. Slow down. And here we are. We made the best emergency landing in this existence of TFS. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then.